Pawpaw Sammy and Alley Bug here. Do you know your grandmother dried her herbs? She never owned a dehydrator. I'm fixing to show you how to do it. I'll tell you which the best herbs to dry, the best way to dry them, and the best way to preserve them. And it won't take long. All right. This video actually got me started for questions and comments from my readers, so my subscribers. Papa, I got herbs. They're going to waste. I don't have a dehydrator. You don't need one. All right. There's three ways. Number one, to me, is the best. It's the best. Uh, and the best herbs to do it is basil, parsley, oregano, thyme, rosemary, and sage. Okay. Those are the ones that's best to dry like this. You harvest them in the morning. That's when the dew is gone and they're dry. All right. You rinse them if needed. If you rinse them, pat them completely dry. You want them dry. All right. Then you remove all your damaged leaves. That's important. Insect bites or whatever, get them off. Okay. You take and tie 5 or 10 stems together. Just take a bunch of stems and tie them together. All right. Hang them upside down in a warm, dark room with plenty of air circulation. You need the air circulation to move the moisture. Okay. Now, doing it like this, you're looking at 1 to 3 weeks to dry them. Okay? Yeah, you'll know when they dry. When the leaves look all swiveled up and ugly, and you take a leaf and you can do this with your fingers and it just crumbles. Okay. That tells you they're dry. You remove your leaves, you store them in an airtight container away from heat and sunlight. Okay, while I'm thinking about it, the leaves will crumble real easy in your fingers. Try to get them off whole and put them in the bag whole. The whole leaf retains its flavor better. You crumble it right before you put it in the pot. That's the best way to retain your flavor. Now, that's number one, air dry. Number two, paper towel. Paper towel drying is great for small batches. You don't have a lot, just a little bit, you have to go to a lot of, no, don't go to a lot of trouble. All right, you spread your herbs out on paper towels or a dish rag, whatever, a clean dishcloth. Spread them out in a flat layer. Okay, in a dry room, no sunlight bleaches the leaves, browns them, and kills the flavor. Keep it away from the sun. Turn over once a day for 3 to 7 days. This gives them time to dry pretty well even. Now, that is the second way, paper towel. That's great for small batches. Now, the fastest way, I'm not a fan of it, but it works good. It really does. It's the oven. The oven is your fastest way to do it. Okay. What you do is set your oven on the lowest temperature you can get. Put your leaves on single layers on a pan. You crack the oven door slightly. You want the moisture to ease out. You don't want the moisture to stay in the oven. Check it every 15 to 20 minutes. Most herbs are dry within 30 minutes to 2 hours. And watch them every 10 to 15, 20 minutes. You don't want them to brown. All right. No sun. Sun reduces the color and the flavor. You want them completely dry. All right. Now, like I said before, one more time. Whole leaves retain the flavor better than crushed leaves. Try not to crush them, but do us no biggie. crush them right before you put them in the oven. That's how you do that.